Guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Zidan and now I'm going to show you about my Google Earth. So guys, this is my new channel, Exploring with Zidan. Like, subscribe and follow. So guys, now we are in Mumbai here. This is our Google Earth map here. So now one of our comments said that make a video on Google Earth. So now we're going to go to our USA, and here is the US, guys. We go to New York here. So guys, for the Statue of Liberty, I knew how we can find it, but now we have to search it. Here we go, Statue of Liberty. So guys, it is in US here, as you can see. So guys, this is the Statue of Liberty. It is an island. So now I'm going to talk you how the people reach here. Not also the boats. You can't see the boats. First, let's go in the street view. Then you can see the real thing, whether there are boats or no. So guys, here is our Statue of Liberty that France gave a gift to USA, and it was very long ago. So guys, the Statue of Unity is one of the monument of our world, and you can see here many buildings. You can see the Empire State Building too, guys. So guys, this is the Statue of Liberty and Photosphere. It is here, and as you can see it, guys, this is a very good view, and we saw a ship here. So guys, the people come for ship here also. They come with the ship. So here there are also this, you can see there is highway, there is a reef down. So guys, the highway is down only. If I view the highway is here, the whole water, and it is really very good. The highway from down, I mean not highway, sorry, the road is going from down, and it can't and there is New Jersey and New York. So guys, if we say so, the Statue of Liberty is actually in the New Jersey. So it's not in the New York, everybody say, but the border crosses to New York and New Jersey. So now guys, the Empire State Building and many are here too. I can search, but you will see it. So guys, I'm going here, and you can see the Empire State Building here too. I just found it. It has more than 6,000 windows and 360 floors. Let's see what's inside. Here people are taking photography, and here is the beautiful US in the night with lights. So guys, the Statue of Liberty is done, and now I'm going to show you here. Let's go to our country India and Statue of Unity. I think you saw my video, my last video, Statue of Unity. I already uploaded it. So make sure you like that, subscribe that my channel. So guys, now we are in the Gujarat. So here you can see the Shubhaneshwar Wildlife, Yaval Wildlife Sanctuary. So guys, Shubhaneshwar, you can't see it, so I have to search it again. But I know more about the Statue of Unity. First, let's go to Ekta Nagar railway station. Yeah, close to that. So here's the Ekta Nagar railway station, and the Statue of Liberty, the longest statue in India, is located here. I mean the longest statue in the world too. So guys, here in inside you can see the museum. There is a museum inside. And now if you didn't see that video, so I'm going to show this video, because here is the statue of unity, which was built in the 2018, and now I'm going to show you the museum. So guys, here is the Statue of Unity museum that we can zoom also in. So guys, we can see the 3D view in India, because we can't see it, I don't know. So first we go ahead here, the Statue of Unity, and let's go inside and see what is the view of Narmada. So guys, I also visited here, but sometimes the Google Earth, the people says something else, and just look at the street view at something else. The viewing gallery here. Yeah, guys, here is inside the Statue of Unity, and here I also went at the same point. So guys, now we went to the Statue of Unity, and guys, it is new. Now here, as you can see, now there is ground here. There are ground, but now there is river. See, now when we go here, you can see only ground here, ground. But now it's not like that. There is now the very good Statue of Unity here. Now it has also, the new update has come. So guys, it has many this too. So Vishwavan, then museum also, children's nutrition museum. So guys, every single thing happens here. Then jungle safari. So guys, there is everything here. You can also visit. I went here. Then the cactus garden too, guys, and the cactus garden we also viewed there. We go to cactus garden now with the street view here. So guys, here is the cactus garden, and guys, for that, like and subscribe my channel, follow the channel, and bye guys.